What if you could earn money just by watching Google Ads? Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But what if it isn't? What if there was a way to make $2.49 every minute simply by watching Google Ads? And what if this opportunity was available to everyone regardless of where they live? Intriguing, isn't it? Imagine this. You watch one ad and you get 30 cents. The second ad you watch earns you 54 cents. The third ad gets you 62 cents, and it keeps adding up. And with the method we're about to share, you can get to that magic number, $2.49 every minute. This isn't limited to just one country. It works in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, India, the Philippines, and every other country across the globe. And if that's not exciting enough, stay tuned till the end of this video, where we'll share a bonus trick to earn $700 a day in pure passive income using a brand new website. The first step is to navigate to a specific website where you can earn money by watching Google Ads from brands that interest you. The name of this website will be revealed shortly, but first, let's understand how it works. This website hosts brand ads from Google. You watch these ads and earn money, but that's not all. If you refer someone to this website, you earn $5 per sign-up, anytime someone joins this site using your link. Once you've accumulated enough money in your account, you can transfer the funds to your PayPal account, among other withdrawal options. Hundreds of brands, including some featured on this website, have partnered up to offer new Google website ads each and every day. If you want to learn more about this website, you can click on the About Us option at the bottom of the site. To get started with this website, click on the link in the description below. Remember, every ad watched adds up. Every referral counts. And with the right strategy, you can be making $2.49 every minute just by watching Google Ads.